So there's going to be more opportunity in the next 12 months than there probably has been in the last 5 to 10 years combined for us entrepreneurs. But how do you make 2021 really, really count? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you one simple strategy that can change everything. Hey, what's up? How are you? It's Chris here, and welcome to the first video of 2021. Now, if this is the first time that you're discovering me, well, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I'm also a business coach that helps people build profitable, future-proof businesses based around their expertise and the people that they want to serve. I call it the business of you. So if that sounds like you, you're in the right spot going forward here at the beginning of the year. So let's talk about it a little bit. What is going to happen this year, and just how important is it that we take the opportunities that come our way serious, and for the right reasons as well? Because at the end of the day, an opportunity is only really an opportunity if we grab it by both hands, if we put our energy into it, our time into it, maybe even our finances and our resources into that opportunity, and ultimately we take advantage of it. But here's the thing. In order for us to make sure that we're creating the mental bandwidth that we need in order to be able to capitalize on those opportunities as and when they come our way, we need to make sure that we're focusing on the right things and that we're saying yes to the right things and no probably a lot more often. And here's the thing, our yeses, they are a commodity. They mean something, they've got value behind them. And when we summon up the bravery that we need to be able to say no to certain opportunities, the value of our yeses skyrockets. It goes up through the roof. And like I said, saying yes does mean something. It really, truly does. And saying no shouldn't just be seen as some sort of passive answer that you just throw out as and when you feel you need to. The fact of the matter is, it is your right to say no. And when you're building the business of you, a business based around you and your expertise, people are going to come at you from all different angles wanting to pick your brain or to ask you for a little bit of feedback on this or some info or an invite or something on that. The fact is, you don't need to say yes to all of those opportunities. In fact, actually, you should be saying no a lot more often. Now, if you think about it, particularly in recent times, we've never been more connected as a human race, right? I mean, we're always connected. All the time we're connected. And here's the thing. We've also been kind of pre-programmed to think about the fact that we need to like something that we see from somebody that we follow on social media. We need to send them a heart, or we need to retweet something or comment on something. Well, we don't actually. We don't need to do any of that stuff. In fact, actually what we really need to be doing is we need to be guarding ourselves, we need to be guarding our opinions, and we need to be guarding our time more so than ever before in the history of us building our businesses. So I want you to do something very quickly for me, whether it's right now or at the end of the video. I want you to get a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle of it, and on the left-hand side, I want you to write down all the things that you said yes to over and over and over again last year. And then on the right side of that piece of paper, I want you to write down all the things that you wished you said no to. And let's see exactly how many things are left over at the end of that little exercise. And as entrepreneurs building a business around what we know, what we need to do is, instead of saying yes to every little request that comes into our world or lands in our inbox or in our direct messages on social media, what we need to do is we need to start focusing on the small percentage of the people in our ecosystem who are going to be willing and making it blatantly obvious that they're willing to not only invest their time, their energy, their money, and their effort, but also their mindset into doing whatever it is that you can help them achieve. I mean, don't get me wrong. Yes, be helpful, provide value, record your podcast, shoot your videos, post on social media, do all the things that you do to be great in the world. But at the end of the day, focus your real energy, that real passion on the projects that make sense, going to the places and the events that make sense, turning up to the right online calls that make sense, picking up on the right opportunities that make sense. But most importantly, in 2021 going forward, I want you to make sure that you are focusing on and investing in the right people. If you do that, not only will your business thrive through this year, but you will have the best year ever as an entrepreneur. I guarantee it. If you liked today's video, I'd love for you to go ahead and comment right below. Make sure you hit that like button. And if you happen to be consuming on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications, because I'm coming at you every single week with a brand new video. Until next time, take great care and start saying no more often. I'll see you soon.